Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to use Suno AI on your phone to generate music. Suno AI is a really cool tool that lets you create songs from text prompts, and it's now available as a mobile app. But before we dive in, keep in mind that while Suno AI is improving rapidly, the results can vary. Also, the mobile app is currently only available in the United States, with a global rollout expected by the end of 2024. I'm getting my information from Suno AI's website and other websites that review the app. If you're outside the US, you might need to wait a bit or use a VPN. The quality of the generated music depends on your prompts, and it may take some experimenting to get the best results. I'm not responsible for how you use the music created. If you want to see a step-by-step guide on how to get songs from Suno AI to your phone, here's how. First, head over to the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store and search for Suno AI. Download and install the app. Note that as of late 2024, the app might still be rolling out globally, so it might not be available in your region yet, such as mine. Second, once the app is installed, open it. You'll need to create an account or log in if you already have one. You can sign up with your email address or use your Google account. In the app, you'll see a Create tab. Tap on it to start generating your song. This is where the magic happens. Think of a song idea, including the style, genre, and any specific lyrics or themes you want to include. Type your prompts into the text box. For example, you could type a catchy pop song about summer vacation or a sad ballad about a lost love. Suno AI allows you to customize your song further. You can specify the genre, instruments, and tempo. If you have specific lyrics in mind, you can enter them in the lyrics section. If you don't have lyrics, Suno AI will generate them for you. Once you're happy with your prompt and customizations, tap the Create button. Suno AI will then process your input and genre to versions of your song. This might take a few minutes, so be patient. After the songs are generated, you can listen to both versions. Choose the ones that you like best or generate new ones if you're not satisfied. Once you've selected a song, you can download it to your phone. You can also share it directly from the app to various social media platforms. A few tips for getting best results is the more specific you are with your prompts, the better the results will be. Include details about the genre, mood, and lyrical themes. Also, experiment. Don't be afraid to experiment. And if you have specific lyrics in mind, use them. Additional information, Suno AI is continuously updating its features, so by 2025, expect even more advanced capabilities such as true stereo sound production and real-time collaboration tools. You can also upload audio files to Suno AI and it will generate a complete song based on your input. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and see you in the next one.